Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make red cowpeas in coconut milk, known as Kunde za nazi in Kiswahili. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. First step, wash the red cowpeas before cooking them. I used about 1 cup of red cowpeas. Place in a pot with water and let them boil till they start getting soft and the water dries completely. You can add more water if the red cowpeas are not soft and let them continue cooking till they get soft. Once they are soft and the water has dried completely like this, add 1.5 cups of light coconut milk to make sure that the red cowpeas are covered with coconut milk. Then you will add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom and 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar depending on the sweetness you want. Let the red cowpeas cook till they're soft and the coconut milk is less. Meanwhile, while the red cowpeas are cooking, in a small pot add 1/2 cup of heavy coconut milk and cook it till it becomes more thicker. And when ready, remove and place aside to cool down. Once they are soft and the coconut milk is less like this, add the cooked heavy coconut milk and mix well and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes till everything is well mixed. And your coconut red cowpeas are ready. Serve on a plate and enjoy your red cowpeas. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes like this, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.